Now fourth one, 13 plus x into 13 minus x. Formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Children, now you will think that why we have to use this different formula. So look at the question. If you will see, first and second term of both the brackets are same. First term is 13 and second term is x. So here in this case we can use a plus b into a minus b formula, which you have studied last year. So its solution is what? A square minus b square. Steps will be same. Here a is equal to 13 and b is equal to x. But only we have used different formula. Why? The reason is because of question. Okay, question is different. First and second terms of both the brackets are same. By substituting values in the formula, we'll get here first term square. A square is 13 square and b square is x square. So 13 square is 169 minus x square. So final answer again we'll write in the box. Okay. Now question number 5. 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 5y. Formula. Now we have to use same formula, okay, which we have used in first, second and third sum. That is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Now according to formula we'll write down values. X is 3x, a is 4y and b is 5y. By substituting values in the formula, what we'll get by substituting values? 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 5y is equal to first term, that is x square. X is what here? 3x. So we'll write 3x in bracket. Why we have to write in bracket? Because if you will write out of the bracket, it will be like only x square. So you have to write this term in bracket. So 3x square, okay, 3x bracket square plus a plus b. A is what? 4y and b is what? 5y. So a plus b into x is there, no? So x is what? 3x here, right? Understood? Plus ab. A is what? 4y into b is 5y. Got it? Okay. So we'll solve in next step, that is 3 square 9. So 9x square plus 4 plus 5 9y into this 3x as it is we'll write here plus 4 5s are 20y square. Now next step we'll solve this term. So 9x square as it is plus 9 3s are 27xy plus 20y square. So this is final solution. Again we'll write in the box. Sixth one, 9x minus 5t into 9x plus 3t. Formula x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here x is equal to 9x, a is equal to minus 5t. Children, if you have observed, wherever minus term is there, you have to write in this step. Okay. So here a is minus, so we will write it as it is, minus 5t, and b is 3t. Okay. By substituting values in the formula, we will get 9x minus 5t into 9x plus 3t is equal to a square is what? 9x square. Okay, x is what? 9x. So x square is 9x square plus a plus b. A is what? 5t plus b is 3t. So minus 5t plus 3t into x. This x means what? 9x. Okay. Now plus ab. A is what? Minus 5t into b is 3t. Okay. Next step we'll solve this. 9 square 81 x square plus, now minus 5 plus 3 means what? Minus 2. Okay. So minus 2t into this 9x as it is, we'll write here minus 5 3s are 15, but this is minus, so minus sign will carry in next step also. Okay, so minus 15t square. Now we'll solve this middle step. 81x square minus 9 2s are 18, so minus 18xt minus this 15t square as it is, we'll write here. Okay, so this is final solution. Again we'll write down answer in box. Now next, 7th one, m plus 2 upon 3 into m minus 7 upon 3. Formula we'll write, then values. Now next step, by substituting values in the formula. What we'll get here by substituting values? M plus 2 upon 3 into m minus 7 upon 3 is equal to, first term is what? X square means x is m here, so m square plus a plus b. A is what? 2 upon 3 plus b is minus 7 upon 3. So a plus b x. This x means what? M here. Plus AB. A is 2 upon 3 into B is minus 7 upon 3. So we'll solve in next step. M square. Now 2 upon 3 plus minus 7 upon 3 means what? We'll consider this minus sign and same denominators are there. So minus 7 plus 2 means what? Minus 5 upon 3. Okay. And this m will write here. Plus. Now again, this is multiplication. So minus 14 upon 3 3s are 9. Okay, so this is final answer, we'll write in the box. Now 8th one, x plus 1 upon x into x minus 1 upon x. We'll write formula in first step, then we'll write down values, then by substituting values in the formula, we'll get x plus 1 upon x into x minus 1 upon x is equal to x square plus 1 upon x plus minus 1 upon x into x, that is a plus b into x, right? Plus ab. Last term is what? In the formula, last term is ab. So 1 upon x into minus 1 upon x. See children, here plus minus will get cancelled. So x square, this box, this will get cancelled, so you will get 0 here into x, and this will become 1 into 1 1 and minus x square. Okay, so in this step 0 into x is what? 0 only, so you will get answer x minus 1 upon x. So this final answer you will write in box. Now you will think, in this sum also both first and second term of both the brackets are same. So you can use that a square and b square, that is a plus b into a minus b formula also here. Okay. See children, 8th sum, question number 8 you can write by using this formula also. Okay. So you write down both the solutions, and in exam any one you can, by any method you can solve. You can use any one formula. A plus b formula also you can use for this sum, because here both the terms of these two brackets are same. See, a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square formula also you can use, and solution will be like this: a square minus b square, so x square minus 1 upon x square. So you will get the same answer. Okay, so again I am repeating, you can use any one method in exam, but now while writing in your notebook you have to write both the methods. Now last sum, 9th one, 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon y minus 9. Formula: x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Here x is equal to 1 upon y, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 9. By substituting values in the formula, you will get 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon y minus 9 is equal to 1 upon y square, that is x square, plus a plus b is what? A is 4 plus b is minus 9 here. Okay, as I told you, you have to write minus sign here while writing values only. Okay, while writing values you have to write minus sign so that you can use it directly here. Okay, so here it will come 4 plus minus 9 into x is what? 1 upon y plus AB. A is 4 into B is minus 9. Okay, which is equal to 1 upon y square minus 5 into 1 upon y minus 36, which is equal to 1 upon y square minus 5 upon y minus 36, and this final answer will write in the. Children, you have to complete this 5.1 practice set in your classwork notebook. Only 8 sum I told you to write by using both the formulas. Rest all sums, okay, as it is how I explain you have to write. Once again I repeat, wherever you will start this lesson, you have to start a new page of your notebook, write down heading, write first 3 formulas which are given in your textbook, then 4th formula will be this which we are using in 5.1. Then after writing those 4 formulas, leave that page and from next page you start writing expansion of that formula which is given on page number 23. After writing expansion of the x plus a into x plus b formula, you have to start practice set 5.1.